Hello folks, Fat Guy Flies RC. Hope it's not too dark. You can still see me. It's early morning, not even 6 o'clock and not even 7 o'clock yet. And I'm going to take up the Valiant Turbo. And what this is my redone Valiant. I've swapped out the stock power system. I put in a 60 amp ESC. I put in an AR620 for a receiver, and I've taken the motor out of the one of my original timbers, and I put a, oh, let me turn my motor off. Also added lights. I can't remember the prop though. I want to say it's a 11x5 prop, I think.
Motor on.
I honestly don't remember now. Right, left, down, right, left. And it's too dark for me to even tell. So, but I'm running a 2200 4S inner. The light system is the same light system that you get stock with a Carbon Cessna Z Cessna 150T or 150, either one of them. And you can buy that light system for like 14 bucks. All right, let's do a range test real quick. You go down to function list. You get 90 feet from your plane, or 30 yards. It's basically about the same. Where's my little square at? Okay, got it right here. Okay, you go to range test. You hit reduce power with the bind button, and then you look for movement with your plane. Okay, and she's got plenty of movement. I got my timer set for 4 minutes because I don't know how well she's going to fly or how long she'll fly on the 4S. So, and I'll be checking the temperature of the ESC and the motor directly after I take when I land her. Make sure I'm not overheating anything, because I don't think the motor is necessarily rated for 4S, but the ESC definitely is. All right, right, left, up, down, right, left. All right. All right. Oh boy. Definitely a lot more power than your typical Valiant. Yeah. But really windy this morning, so hard for me to and of course my wind is cross runway.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Definitely got plenty of power.
High rates.
Yeah, plenty of power.
Mid rates.
Go back to mid rates.
Landing flaps.
Boy, them lights show up really well though.
Flaps up.
Yeah, wind has evened out my feet.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Good thing I got those lights, because orientation is a booger bear right now. Yeah. Definitely a lot more responsive than the typical Valiant. That's for sure. All right, we're flying her pretty hard.
Low rates. Landing flaps.
All right,
Flaps up.
let's get her back here.
High rates. Low rates. Motor off.
All right, let's quickly, motor's off. What I'm going to do, look at this motor. Motor is at 72 degrees, and that is in Fahrenheit, so the motor is plenty cool. All right, let's take a look at the ESC, which is down there. All right, motors at, or the ESC, not even warm. Battery, not even warm. So it's doing, and I'm doing this with a little Fahrenheit gun. So that tells me that she can handle the 4S no problem. And that prop is a, I can kind of see it. Okay, it's 11 by 5.5 electric APC prop. Okay, so still got a minute left. All right.
Motor on.
I do want to get them flaps to come down a little bit further though.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Oh boy. Now E-Flite, this is what you need to be doing.
Landing flaps.
This is what you need to be doing with your Valiant. Work her out, make it the Valiant Evolution. Okay?
Flaps up.
And make her 4S capable.
Landing flaps.
Give her lights. And if you can, make her a top loader.
30 seconds.
It's really getting windy. Man, I got a storm rolling in, so this is going to have to do it for the day. Grasshoppers.
Flaps up.
All right, you know what?
Landing flaps. 10. Flaps up. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4.
Should slow right down to that wind though.
Time expired.
All right, time's expired. All right, that's how the Valiant's supposed to be.
Motor off.
All right, we're 1 second over. Let's take our smart checker and look at this plane, folks. Look at her. I mean, it's still basically the same plane. The only difference is I've drilled 2 vent holes on either side of the lights. Change out the APC prop, put a different kind of spinner on there, and added those lights to her. And now and a new 60 amp ESC, not a smart ESC, just a 60 amp that I happen to have, and put the motor from an older crashed timber that I had. So whatever that B, I guess it's, I don't remember, BL150. I don't remember, but other than that, she's still the same. So I'm going to set this down for right now. Take a look at this beautiful bird. Prop is off. We're going to open this up and we're going to check the battery here, okay, with my smart checker. The ESC is nothing special. It's just I want to say Star, I don't know what brand it is. It's just an ESC I happen to have, 60 amp ESC with an XT60 lead on it. Okay, well, let's pick up the camera now. You're thinking, oh man, you're throwing me all over the place. All right, battery's not even hot. Flew for 4 minutes and 1 second. I flew her hard. Okay. And I still got 64%. Oh gosh, I could have flown for 7 or 8 minutes. Okay, let's just because I can, I'm going to show you my procedure here for checking the. Okay, there is, man, the wind. The ESC is right there, that light blue. Okay, and oh man, the wind is carrying the thing away from me. ESC is 76 degrees, nowhere near, and that motor's 72 degrees. All right, no problem at all for 4S. Did not have any issues. Now all I did to add these lights, I peeled the tape up, cut a channel with a razor blade, okay, and dug out a little bit of the foam here, took the lights with the lens cover, put them together, shoved them into that opening I made, put white tape over it, put the lead for the lights through here, smashed it down through there, and then ran it through the same channel that the servos come in, and for the flap and the aileron. Same procedure over here. The front 2 lights of the Cessna 150, the kit, I drilled 2 holes, popped those lights in, glued them in with hot glue from the other side, ran the lights. It comes with a little light controller. Plug that into an unused channel on my receiver, which I think was my gear channel, which I'm obviously not going to use it with this plane. Changed out the prop with a new spinner that matches that BL150 motor, I think that's what it is, and a 60 amp ESC, and she flies great. Now what I might do is, just for giggles, put a safe receiver back in it, and maybe even the stock receiver that came with it, and the AR631, and then have safe, and I can demonstrate all that, and then I can show to Horizon Hobby that you can easily do that. And you can give us the Valiant we deserve, which is a Valiant that runs on 4S or 3S, has all the technology of smart ESC, give it lights, and if you can't tell me, given how long the front of that plane is, the nose, that you couldn't make that a top loader. If you can do that with the Turbo Timber, you can certainly do it with a Valiant. Well folks, thank you so much for watching. Sorry if the video is a little dark right off the bat. I wanted to get out here before this storm comes, and well, it's coming in, so I'm gonna have to call it quits for this morning. So I might get one more flight. Who knows? All right, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all, and don't forget, faith, family, and friends, and them planes, and even ones you have to modify. Bye.